Hey there and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Wix to create your very own portfolio website step by step. Whether you are a photographer, designer, artist or freelancer, this guide will help you showcase your work online with ease. So let's jump right into it, but before that make sure to check the link in the description box or in the pinned comment. So head over to wix.com like this, search for wix.com on your browser and then tap enter. So if you are new, just sign up using your email address and then tap on to continue with email. You can also continue with your SSO, Apple ID, Facebook and Google ID. So for now I'm gonna go with my Gmail account. So as you can see, I'm logging into my Gmail account and I'm logged in. Once logged in, you will see your dashboard with all your sites, or an empty one if you are starting fresh, but as I previously has used them, so I just have some here. Now simply tap on to create new site at the top right corner on this blue logo. Here you can see this text, create new site, tap onto it. Wix will now ask whether you want to build your site with Wix AI or choose a template manually. I recommend you to train the AI at least one, okay? Now you can ask it anything. It is helpful for generating content ideas and giving you a portfolio jumpstart. So for example, the AI will ask you some few questions like what is your website about or something like that. As you can see, it is asking for me what is the name of your website or project. For me, I'm gonna enter social photography, okay, photography, and then you have to send it. Okay, now it will ask you a few more questions like what kind of content will you showcase and who are your potential customers. So as you can see, it is asking that who are your potential customers. So I'm gonna tap onto social media users, USA based, and also I'm gonna just tap onto something like buyers. Okay, now tap enter. Now it's asking for me, asking that do I have any specific goals in mind of your website, such as encouraging online sales, showcasing your portfolio or something else. So I'm gonna tap onto online sales, then send it again. So this is how you can just ask him, take his help. For me now, I'm gonna tap onto end chat and continue for now. So let it load. So as you can see, I'm on my site dashboard, like Wix dashboard. Now you have to tap on to something like add projects. This is where you upload your actual portfolio content. Okay, so search for the add project option. Let me ask him that where is the add project option. And send it. Now tap onto this. You can just simply tap onto this portfolio project and it will create a new one, and from there you can start making your portfolio. So for example, I'm gonna tap onto photography. Okay, this one is nice, then tap next. If you want, you can skip it. I'm gonna tap onto next. Now you can upload your images. For me, I'm gonna upload it from my computer like this, 3 image. Okay, that enough. Then tap on open. So the images are now ready. Now tap on to generate projects. So Wix will start analyzing your projects, and then there you go. Now you have to tap on to create portfolio, and Wix AI will help you a lot in this. So this is how you can see it. Your project is now ready. Now tap on to add project. At the top right corner here you can see this plus icon called add project. Tap onto it. This is where you upload your actual portfolio content. Tap next, then tap next again. Now you can enter your project type, date, location. For me, I'm gonna skip it. Now here you can see this. Here you can upload the real photos. Tap open, and then you can change its title if you wish to. You can add a description here. You can tap on alter text. Also you can add link to your website. Okay, like if you have a previous web store or anything like that, you can just simply tap onto this and paste the link here, and then tap add, and your link will be added. Now you have to tap onto done. Tap done again and wait until the loading is complete. Now here you can see this. After creating your project, you can see this option called looks like socialphotographs.com is available. Then tap on to connect domain. So this is how you can add it. Now tap on to get it. Now from here you can buy it. You can continue, or you can just get the domain for free with a premium plan. Then continue. So this is how you can use Wix to make a portfolio website. Now you just have to choose your offer, like service which you want to go with, and I will recommend with you to go Core or Lite if you're just starting out, and if you're an experienced person, then go with Business or Business Elite. Okay, then you have to tap on to compare plan features. That's it. Now buy them, and your Wix will be connected to your Wix project will be connected to your domain. So this is how you can do it. You can also create new site from here, at the top left corner here, and talk with here if you want it, and also set up without chat. So this is how you can edit them, your portfolio, and you can just simply tap on to continue to go with your photography portfolio, and that is pretty much it. Like tap continue, that's it. So this is how you can use Wix to connect your portfolio and create portfolio projects. So that was it, and if this video was helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Do not forget to comment that which video, like which tutorial you want to see in the next videos. Till then, take care, goodbye, and as always, see you and catch you in the next one. Goodbye.